In this video, I am going to show you an amazing way to make $500 to $1,000 online just by reading, and just check out some of these payment proofs to see how much money people are making with this incredible new strategy. So this method is completely free to do, and I will be showing you how to do this step by step. So make sure you do stick around and do not skip ahead through the video so you can learn all the steps you need to do in order to get this set up and get started earning money immediately after watching this video. I will also show you exactly how much money you can earn and also how super simple this method is to do. You don't need any previous experience, technical knowledge or certifications to do this. And as you can see here, you can actually earn $1,000 to $1,249 for 30 to 45 minutes of reading. So imagine for a second just working an extra 30 minutes and what you could do with an extra $1,000. Maybe a holiday, or how about that new phone or car you have been wanting? Or maybe you just want to earn extra income online. So for just 30 minutes of work, this is actually an amazing way to make money online. Now make sure you do watch the entire video and do pay close attention, as I will be sharing some bonus tips on how to double or even triple your income, even if you spend the least amount of time on this method. Alright, so the first thing I want you to do is go to a website which is actually called voices.com. And as you can see, this company has actually been featured alongside some big names, like for example Microsoft, GoDaddy, the Discovery Channel, Los Angeles Times, Hulu and so many more. Every day they process thousands of payments and you have the choice to get paid by either PayPal or a direct bank transfer. And this does work in a lot of countries all over the world, and how it works is you get paid by completing certain projects. So from the home screen, if I actually hover over here where it says find work, you will see some jobs available from audio production jobs to translation to voiceover jobs. Now voiceover jobs are actually the highest paying, and what happens is you will receive the script to read, and all you have to do is simply record yourself speaking this script, submit the work and you will get paid. You will get paid based upon the length of the project, and what is really great about voices.com is the work is consistent and there is always plenty available. So there are actually similar sites like Voices, but the work can be limited, whereas with Voices you can actually choose whether you want to work for 20 minutes or an hour to earn even more money, because there are actually so many different projects to make money with. If you don't have a microphone, then at this stage do not worry, because you can just use your iPhone or Android phone and download an app to record your voice. And if you are camera shy, again don't worry, this is absolutely perfect for you, as you do not have to show your face. All you need to do is simply record your voice and send it across to this website. So as I did previously mention, you don't have to write the scripts yourself, these will already be prepared and sent to you. All you need to do is record your voice reading the script, submit your work and then collect your earnings. Now before I go ahead and show you how to get signed up and start receiving work and making money, if you are enjoying this video so far, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And also make sure you do subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on the best new ways to make money online. And if you do have any questions at all regarding this method, just drop a comment below the video. So coming back to the website voices.com, the first thing I will show you is how to actually get signed up for your free account, and make sure at this point you do pay close attention. The reason being is because there are a few important steps in the sign up process that you do need to fit in to get accepted and verified for work. So from the home page you will see a blue sign up button in the top right hand corner of the page, and the first thing you're going to need to do is go ahead and give that a click. At this point you have the option to do a quick sign up with a Google or an Apple account, or what you can do is simply enter an email address and click continue. So next you will see two options, which are to find work as a talent and hire talent for your projects, and in this case we're going to find work as a talent. So next is just a few details to fill in, like for example your full name, email address, and then you want to go ahead and choose a password. Again, at this point you do have the option to do a quick sign up with Google if you do want to. So after you've done this and you're signed up for your account, you will see your dashboard and a list of different jobs you can choose from. There are a ton of different types of jobs available, like for example e-learning, explainer videos, podcasts, radio and so many more. There are a lot of different categories to choose from, but what I'm going to do is show you the categories I would personally recommend, which are actually working in various countries around the world, such as the United States, India, Nigeria and the Philippines. and these categories always have plenty of work available, which is also very beginner friendly. The first category you should choose is audiobooks. The second category, explainer videos, will pay you the second most amount of money, and the third category, video games, will pay you the third most amount of money. So this is the three categories I will be sharing with you and focusing on in this video, because they are actually the ones with the most work available and also the ones that pay the most amount of money. So if we actually click onto audiobooks first, you will be taken to a page that looks like this, and you will see all of these people who are working online from all over the world and using this website to earn money. You can see there are both men and women from different countries all around the world, and right now you can see the language section where you will see that they accept people from all over the world, including the United Kingdom, North America and India. So no matter where in the world you are bound to find some work for you. And you can start earning money online on voices.com by simply reading those scripts and getting paid based on the hours that you work. The more hours you work, the more money you will make. So if you want to make more money, what you'll need to do is choose a job that lasts at least 45 minutes so that you get paid $1,000. So what I'm going to do is show you some of the work options that are accessible once you log in. And you can see here there is a lot of available jobs that you can apply for. And if I scroll down, you will notice that I keep refreshing this page, so you can always see the most up-to-date jobs and apply for the ones that you do prefer. As I mentioned earlier on in the video, the most popular category for voices.com is audiobooks, and when you apply for any of the audiobook jobs, you will actually be given all of the scripts and templates. So all you have to do once you've received the scripts and templates is go ahead and read them and record them using either your iPhone or Android phone. And once you've done that and submitted your work, you will be paid $1,000. You will see information about the job, which will tell you things like who the client is, what kind of voice they are looking for, and some of the work duties they expect you to perform. So once you have applied for the job and been accepted, they'll provide you the script for free, and all you have to do is read it out and you'll earn money. There is an app available for both the iPhone and Android, so if you are using a phone, you can actually download the Voices app and apply for work that way. Now, I do have another method where you can actually earn money reading online, and if you do want to check that out, then make sure you do click the video that comes up on screen now. And also, if you did enjoy this video today, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the latest and greatest ways to make money online. If you do have any questions or feedback at all, then make sure to drop a comment below, as we always love to hear your thoughts and feedback. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.